happening, Hardscapers? Today we're at the Romex booth at H&A, and we're going to be doing a demo of a new product here. Let's get into this. Really quick before I get into this video, this was filmed at H&A, the Hardscape North America show, and it is an outdoor demo area that gets a little bit noisy. The very first clip of this video is the noisiest with the background in it. Just bear with it. It gets a lot better throughout the entire video here. And it's a great product that I'm really excited about using in my business here. It's probably best that I just leave it to Stefan here to actually take it away and explain what we're getting into. We're going to be doing a demo here. What are we going to be seeing?
What we're going to be seeing here today is permeable bedding compound. So it's what we call trass. What that is basically you're mixing HPB with our cement trass mix, which is a compound of trass element mixed with polymers and binders. And what you end up is with a really strong permeable bedding layer that you can drive 40-ton rated vehicles on top of. So at 3 inches thick, you're going to be back buttering your pavers to it, putting in our jointing compound. When you're finished with that, you're going to end up with a 10-year warranty on that whole system, which is called our RSG, Romex System Guarantee. So we're mixing trass today. So as you can see, I've got a bucket here of HPB. And that's your 1/4 inch chipstone or your number 9s. And we're mixing our trass with a 4:1 ratio. So 4 parts HPB, 1 part trass compound, and it comes in a bag, and then it's 8 liters per mix. The bucket was full of HPB. The mix is 4:1. So if this is 4 pieces, I'm going to put 1 piece of trass. I'm going to put that in. It's not quite a full mix, but on a full mix you're looking at about 8-9 liters of water. So we're going to reduce that by quite a bit. I've got 2 liters of water here. I'm going to be adding that. And then we're looking for a consistency where you can actually form it in a bit of a ball in your hand. You don't want it too sloppy and you don't want it too dry. In between. So we're getting pretty close now. There's a certain sheen that it has that kind of gives it away a little bit. And the other thing is when you actually grab it, you want to be able to, basically form it into a bit of a ball. You don't want it falling apart on you. We're just going to let that mix for another minute or two, and then we'll screed it out. So we've mixed our trass, 4:1. You can see you're able to form it without it falling apart. At this point, you're going to be screeding it out just like you would your HPB or your 1/4 inch chip. This is a small little demo area, but I'm just going to bring this all into where I need it. Take your level, just like you would with chipstone. Making sure everything's nice and flat, and now we're ready to adhere the pavers to this with our adhesion elutrient. We're going to mix the adhesion elutrient now, and the elutrient is basically your back buttering. You're going to be back buttering the pavers to the trass, and this is how it looks. Obviously it's a good idea to wear PPE when you're doing this. What you're looking for is a peanut butter consistency. You don't want it too sloppy and you don't want it too dry. It's almost at that consistency here now. At this point we've got our adhesion elutrient, which is our back buttering agent. This is the consistency that you're looking for. You want it, not too thin, not too thick, but just thick enough so that you can actually put it onto your paver. Or slab, porcelain tile, whatever it is that you're putting on. Spread it out. We're going to do 2 of them here. So we've applied the adhesion Utri, and now we're looking to use a 3/8 trowel. Keep the sides clear. And the idea is to keep these sides clear so that it doesn't ooze out, because it's the joints that you want to keep permeable. If you fill them up with adhesion Utri, it's not going to be permeable anymore. So just like that. And when you get really good at it, you can almost do this in one swipe, but I still need some practice. Clear off the sides. You're looking for about a 1/2 inch of it being cleared. Taking your pavers and setting them into the truss. And you also want to be installing this as a wet on wet. You don't want to let the truss dry. The Utri and the truss both have to be wet at the same time. At this point here, you want to make sure that there's good adhesion between the two. And then you continue with that same process for your entire patio or driveway. So we're looking at a minimum 1.5 inches for pedestrian, up to 2 inches, 2.5 to 3 inches for light vehicular, and 3.5 to 4 inches for heavy traffic, heavy vehicular, like FedEx trucks. If you've got FedEx trucks parking in your driveway, or fire trucks, stuff like that, you're looking for that 3-inch bedding of truss. So we provide a 10-year warranty. And if you're interested in installing truss on your next project, give us a call.
Thank you for watching this video on Romex. Stefan, where can our audience learn more about Romex products and everything that you got going on there?
Yeah, so if you want to learn more about Romex, you can go to RomexHardscapes.com. We also have a Romex Academy, so Google Romex Academy. Lots of stuff to learn. There's little tests and certificates that you can get on all of our products. And last but not least, we have Romex Hardscape Instagram, and I am romex.stef on Instagram. Go check it out.
Like this video if you found it helpful for whatever reason. Comment below any questions that you have about this product, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more hardscaping content like this. Thank you so much for watching.